Hello, Good Gut Gang. Today we are spring cleaning. Not the funnest or sexiest thing we've ever posted about, but it needs to be done nonetheless. And I know you all are always interested in what products we're using and what we're doing with that. We're going to be cleaning out our kitchen pantry, our backyard, and our garage. I've kind of sporadically spring cleaned our rooms and closets. Those are fine, but we have lived here for a year now. Our pantry has things that have inevitably expired. Our garage is kind of overflow of shelf-stable things that we have. So there's stuff in there also that I want to look through and just make space for new things that have moved into this house with us. I really am a minimalist. I don't like clutter. I was raised by boomers. We're somewhat borderline hoarders. That traumatized me sufficiently, and we have a very minimal household. I like the least possible that can be. This is our room, just our bed, a light / little bookshelf that it doubles as. We have a dresser, pictures I haven't hung yet in the year that we've lived here, Charcoal's bed. That's kind of it. I don't like clutter. Of course, Layla has her own little creative space here, so she's allowed to kind of express herself and do what she wants. So she has her karate stuff and just Legos she's built and her stuffies and all her books and bags and things, and Charcoal's always in here. She loves Layla's room. But one thing that we like to do when we're just cleaning things up is James likes to strip his clothes. It's not what it sounds like. When you strip clothes, it's usually workout clothes that have just sweat and smells stuck in them. And he is a sweaty dude. When we do things like hot yoga and he's dripping sweat and top to bottom drenched in sweat, you better believe his clothes start smelling awful. Even though he washes them, we do laundry every single week, his clothes will still just have trapped odor in them. About twice a year, we try to strip his clothes, and I just wanted to show you what we're using because, again, you're always interested in the different things we're using. So with this protocol, one of the things it calls for is borax, and borax is sodium borate. It is an odor fighter. It kind of has an effervescence to it, so it will lift things like that out of it. We are putting some of our Molly Suds laundry powder in there. We love, love, love this Molly Suds, and this just helps mine and Layla's clothes not smell awful. James, his odor and sweat is too strong for this, but I did sprinkle the Molly Suds in there. I'll be putting a link in there that gives you exact measurements because I know you're going to ask for them. And then I also put some of this oxygen whitener from Molly Suds in it as well. I love that they don't use any phthalates. They don't have any SLS. If you're sensitive to sodium lauryl sulfates, if you have mast cell disease, histamine intolerance, and fragrance sensitivity, they just use natural essential oils. This has just 4 ingredients: sodium percarbonate, sodium carbonate, citric acid, and organic lemon essential oils. Their products are one of my favorites for my sensitive patients and for us. James is sensitive. I'm sensitive to fragrance, so we also don't bring fragrances into our home. It gives us headaches and just, we don't enjoy them. Those are the products that we're sprinkling in, and I put just a few pumps of this laundry concentrate that we got from a refill shop. Here's what we have. Here's what's soaking in our bathtub. I need to still mix this in. You guys, we work with what we have. I don't have a stick to mix this in. I just got a hanger. I got a pretty sturdy hanger, and I am just trying to mix it all through and make sure that all these locked in, trapped in odors and stains and things start making their way out. And you can see the water is not clear. This is certainly not dye from his clothes because these are clothes he has washed a bazillion times. So it's certainly not the fabric coloring, but just stuff that was within the fabric. We're gonna leave this soaking. It's recommended usually to leave it overnight. It's been soaking already for a few hours. I just applied more hot water, more of the powders that we were using to them. It's gonna soak in here probably till this evening, and then we're gonna run them through the laundry. We try to dry them as much as we can, put them in the laundry and run them through, but that is what part of what our day is looking like today. We are stripping James's clothes, we are spring cleaning, and I hope that you're able to get things like this done as well. I know for me, cleaning things up and clearing things out just brings me joy. I like a nice, bright, cleared space. And right now things are messy. So I'm really looking forward to cleaning up, putting things away, and not having a stinky husband. All right. We'll talk to you soon. Hope you're having an amazing day.